In previous classes, we completed the present indefinite tense and present continuous tense. The next tense in English grammar tense topics is present perfect tense. Before learning present perfect tense, we should learn the forms of the verb. Today, we are going to learn about the forms of verb. A verb has four forms. The first one is base form. Base form. The first one is called base form. The second one is past form. Third one is past participle. Now the last one is present participle. These are the three forms of verbs. These are the three forms of verbs, and you look them carefully. First one is base form. For easiness, we write them as it is V1, it is V2, it is V3, and it is V4. Now let us learn about it in detail. What are these three forms of verbs? For example, when we say go, which is used in present form, and went is the past form of it, went, and past participle is gone, and present participle is going. In this way, we can write a large number of such verbs which has different forms. Commonly, some verbs are changed into past form and past participle form by adding ed at the end of it. For example, play, played, played, playing. Such verbs are easy for the students, easy for us, because ed is added at the end of the verb to make them past form and past participle form. But some verbs are not like that. They either form a new word or they form two more new words for their past form and past participle form. I write some of them. Arise, arose, arisen, arising. Here you see the base form is arise. Base form is arise, and the second form is arose, which is used in simple past tense, and the third one is arisen, which is used in present perfect, past perfect, and future perfect tense, and arising is used in present, past, future continuous tenses. Present continuous, past continuous, future continuous, and even in the perfect continuous tenses we have to use arising ing form of the verb. Now it is very necessary for us to learn such verbs which have either a new word as the past form or another new word as the past participle form. Let us write some of them. Awake. Another example is awake. Awake, awoke, awaken. Awake, awoke, awaken. abuse, answer, advice, beat. You see here, beginning, begin, began, begun, beginning. You see these forms of these verbs. Here I have given go. It's a symbol verb, and it is the base form or first form of the verb go. Now its past form is went, and past participle is gone, and present participle is going. Here you see arise, arose, arisen, play, played, played, awake, awoke, awaken, beat, beat, beaten, begin, began, begun, bend, bent, bent, bleed, blood, blood, break, broke, broken, creep, crept, crept, dig, dug, dug. There are so many such verbs. It is difficult to write all these words on the board, all these verbs on the board. So I prefer to tell all these things. It is not possible. So I recommend you to buy a textbook of English grammar, and there in forms of verb you will get all this, and you have to learn them, otherwise you cannot proceed, you cannot go forward. आप इसके लिए बहुत सारे ऐसे वर्ब हैं, कहेगा तो बहुत ज़्यादा है, 300-400 ऐसे वर्ब हैं जो या तो यू सेकंड फॉर्म दूसरा है और थर्ड फॉर्म दूसरा है, नहीं तो सेकंड फॉर्म और थर्ड फॉर्म एक तरह है. जैसे यहाँ देखिए कुछ बेंड में देखिए सेकंड फॉर्म थर्ड फॉर्म एक तरह है, किसी किसी में तीनों फॉर्म एक तरह है. जैसे देखिए कट, 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 थ्री फॉर्म्स ऑफ वर्ब सेम है, कट है. आई हैव कट ए स्टिक फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई हैव कट, उसमें कट, आई कट ए स्टिक. इन दिस वे आपको तीनों टेंस में वो कट ही लगेगा. तो ये आपको समझाने का कारण है. देखिए आपको प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस सीखने का पहले यही थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब याद करना बहुत जरूरी है. इसके बिना आप प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस नहीं सीख पाएंगे और प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस में आप कोई वाक्य नहीं बना पाएंगे। इसलिए मैं आप लोग सभी से एक गाना चाहूँगा, आप लोग ये सब फॉर्म्स ऑफ वर्ब आप लोग याद कीजिए। ये अवश्य है प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट, पास्ट परफेक्ट, फ्यूचर परफेक्ट में वाक्य बनाने के लिए तीसरा रूप यानी पास्ट पार्टिसिपल फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब आपको याद करना जरूरी है। सिंपल पास्ट के लिए ये जरूरी है, ये सब सेकंड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब याद करना। इसलिए आप लोग फॉर्म्स ऑफ वर्ब अवश्य याद कीजिए। मैं आपको उसका एक लिस्ट जो है वीडियो एडिटिंग का समय उसी में फ़ोटो के साथ डाल देंगे, आप उसी को स्क्रीन शॉट लेकर या वीडियो को पॉज कर देखकर भी सीख सकता है। कोई आवश्यकता नहीं है किताब में से सीखना, मैं इसी में वीडियो में डाल देंगे, आप उसी को देख लीजिएगा और उसका डिस्क्रिप्शन में भी देंगे। ओके।